Wrecked out.
What are you doing?
A dramatic police chase unfolded after a driver was reported waving a gun out of his car window. What started as a routine traffic stop quickly turned into a high-speed pursuit through city streets.
Service road.
10-4, 9-3, take the service road.
David Adam, 786-716.
10-4.
Hey, go ahead and turn the car off. Go ahead and turn the car off. Yeah. Let those windows down for me, please. Hands up. Put them on the steering wheel. Alright, so Trooper of Arkansas State Police. The reason why I'm pulling you over because we got a call that you were waving a gun out the window. Listen, I'm telling you what the call was, okay? If there's nothing to it, there won't be anything to it, there won't be any issues, you understand? Okay. You have insurance on the vehicle as well? Do what?
Information on it?
Oh, yeah, that's what I just asked for, the insurance, yes sir. Just keep your hands on the steering wheel for me. I understand, but listen, what I want you to understand is the call I just told you we got, okay? So I need to make sure you and I are on the same page at all times. You feel me? We'll get to it, okay? But what I need from you is just keep your hands simply on the steering wheel. You got me? And you also understand that for no reason your hand should leave the steering wheel, correct? If your phone falls, your phone falls. Alright, so this is what's going to happen, okay? Right now, I'm going to come across the front of your vehicle. I need to see your hands on that steering wheel the whole entire time, okay? I'm going to come on that side over there. I'm going to get you out. I'm telling you the play before the play even happens, okay? I'm going to get you out, and then I'm going to search the vehicle based on the situation. Is there a gun inside this vehicle I need to know about? Nothing at all. So with that being said, we're already one step in the great direction, okay? So hands on top, keep them there. Understanding, for no reason your hand should go down, correct? All right. No, what are you doing? East on 11. South on Hanger. It's about 60. I'm trying to catch up. location.
I'm coming there as well.
Stop!
Was this a case of reckless crime or just a misunderstanding? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on cases like this. A man with multiple warrants just couldn't resist the thrill. He even FaceTimed his girlfriend to brag while driving past the cops. But his escape didn't go as planned, because moments later, he lost control and flipped his car.
I got it, I got it.
Well, switch over and talk to our A4. Vehicle, I think 20 and dispatcher on different pages.
Adam, right on 7. Arkansas, boy Adam, onto Union.
We're going to take it. Thank you. To the right. So we'll have to make it on board. That's right. That's fine. That's it. Right on the breaker pipe. Right traffic.
Right on traffic. Wait. He was throwing bags out the window about 2 miles back.
We'll have them College Street, 65, light traffic.
Passing College Street, 65, light traffic.
Wrecked out at that street.
I'm coming around to you. Let me see your hands, driver!
49, you heading that way?
Driver, show me your hands! I don't want to get in front of that window. I think we need to approach from the other side so we're not in front of the driver's window. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, how we gonna do this? I got guns to one. We're at the corner.
3M. Little Rock.
Keep your hands up, you're gonna get shot! Get your hands out the fucking window!
Get your fucking hands out the window and let me see them!
Over and over.
Unless you want to get shot, put your fucking hands out the window! Put both your fucking hands out the window right now! You better get your fucking hands out the window right now!
Roll out of the top. Here, I'll go to the other side. Yeah.
Put both your fucking hands up! Okay, just like that! You're a dumbass, you know that?
Yeah, you're so fucking stupid. Shut up. Get out. Crawl out of this fucking window right now. No, alright. Don't get out your fucking road. Get out of the car.
If you reach back to that car, I swear I'm gonna make you eat some teeth on that window. I'm just telling you,
You're fucking broke. Stop calling me that. You fucking idiot.
I'm trying to get out the car, bro.
get the fuck out.
I'll fucking take shit. I'll get out of this fucking car right now.
I'm trying to get out.
Get the fuck out and you better get down on your fucking face and not reach
That's what
down.
I'm trying to do. Oh, your phone's ringing.
You got his other hand? Now let him reach back into the place line.
Get out of this car.
Put your hands behind your fucking head.
Can you grab my glasses?
Shut up.
Okay.
Last time I'm worried about your glasses.
Okay.
Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
We saw all the shit you threw out. Mr. Michael Jones, my ass. You're on the fucking phone. Now stand the fuck up. Stand up.
Hey, y'all back up. Back up.
Stand the fuck up.
I don't gotta be no fucking assholes like this.
You know fucking
Oh, yeah, we're assholes, huh?
I'll take right up the front of your car.
All right. We're the assholes. You driving like that and we're assholes. Yeah.
When all these people are rich out here.
Shut up, dude. Lean across the car.
You gotta throw me down. I'm leaning. I'm cooperating, bro.
How do we wind up here from over there? Explain that to me. Explain it to me.
Y'all chasing me for no fucking reason.
No fucking reason. We're about to see.
Chasing you. We're chasing you for no reason.
Yeah.
Why you running?
What's that? What's that?
My fucking pain medicine.
Yeah,
What
that's
the
your name
fuck?
on it.
Hey, buddy, you want to look right there and say they got me?
So how you doing? I'm fucking. Stand up, I'm trying to check your front label. Look at them kids. They want to be state troopers, so they chase you too. Yeah, we're putting back a mine.
You should be embarrassed, dude.
Right here.
We didn't even have to hit you, man. Dude, you hit yourself. Non-driving.
Yes, sir. Back there.
What started as a simple traffic stop turned into a reckless chase that landed Lewis behind bars. Let this be a reminder. If you're wanted by the police, maybe don't call attention to yourself by FaceTiming while driving. What started as a routine traffic stop turned into a high-speed chase at 145 miles per hour. A driver tried to escape a police stop, but the officers had other plans.
Hey, good evening, Triple H, the Arkansas State Police. The reason I pulled you over, one, you're doing 68 and a 60, all right?
I'm sorry. I really saw you behind me, and I wasn't trying to go fast at all.
No, you're doing 68 before you got Dale, okay?
Yeah.
And then when I turned around on you, you slowed down. But anyway, other than that, your dropout tag is unreadable, man. It's just...
I'm sorry. I actually just lost my job not too long ago, and I've really been trying to get that done. I really just went the other day, and they said it was like $2,000 more.
Okay. I got you. What's in those vials, man?
What valves? These?
Yeah.
This is cologne.
That's cologne? Okay.
Yes, sir. You can smell it.
Okay, now you're good. Do you have weed in the car, man?
Sir, I have.
You can be honest.
34, that was 36.
So I'm about to search the car, so.
Okay.
So give me what all you got.
I have this little bit of weed.
Okay. All right, man. I appreciate you being honest. All right. Go ahead and step out for me, okay?
Okay.
Turn the car off. Where you headed to today?
Memphis, Tennessee.
Memphis? I got you. Hey, listen, I can see you're nervous. Calm down. You're not going to jail over this misdemeanor marijuana. You're not. You're not. So relax. Just relax. You're good. Just undo the seatbelt slowly and just step out. It's going to be all good. Now turn the vehicle off.
Hey! Driver! Walk towards us! Hands up!
All right, step back. Step back. Behind cover.
A reckless escape attempt that ended with the driver in handcuffs. Just a reminder, running from the police almost never works out.